That was all on camera as well.
You recorded it?
Yeah.
So today is day one of a 9-day long shoot for a project that I've been working on for a few months. I'm guest editing an issue of Bake From Scratch, which is an American baking magazine, and the issue is going to be all about British baking. We're traveling around London, around the UK, and I'm going to take you with you the whole week and show you behind the scenes of how the magazine is put together, on the shoots, on the travel, on the whole thing. So I hope you enjoy it. By the time this video is up, I hope the issue will be out, so go and buy it. I don't know what's on the cover yet, it's not this one, but I'll link to it in the box below. Sort of thing. It's an interesting comparison. So I would definitely be interested in this. Day 3 and it's way too early. Day 4, and today we're shooting all around London, some of my favourite places including Lean Stores, Bar Termini, Paul Young Chocolates, Fabrique Bakery. So we are literally legit day drinking and it's 11 in the morning. Today is day 6 of the shoot, and I'm not doing a very good job at vlogging this. But today we are in Wigan, we're shooting John Waite's kitchen, his cookery school, and apparently we decided last night that I'm also going to teach the class. So with this voice, let's see how that goes. I also have to be downstairs in like 2 seconds, but I wanted to show you. I think a horror film was filmed here. It is day 7, which means we're so close to finishing. One more day. We're almost finished! Today is day 8 and all we're doing today, nice easy day, is I'm being shown how to make American biscuits and I'm going to show them how to make English scones. I'm currently introducing the guys to good old clotted cream and jam on the scones, and it's not jelly, jam, and they need seeds in it, Brian. So the major part of the shoot is finished. We're off for cocktails and dinner to celebrate, and then in the morning I pack off the magazine team who go back to America, and in 7 months the issue comes out. So let's fast forward 8 months. The magazine has arrived. It is out in the US, and amazingly, it's also out in the UK. If you want any details of where it's available, I'll leave some links in the box below. Looking back at the footage I shot for the behind the scenes, it's very clear that I wasn't very good at blogging it. We left out a couple of days, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly flick through the magazine just to show you, put your whistle, kind of give you an idea of what's in the issue. This was such an amazing project to work on. I was so happy to be asked to work on the magazine, and this is just the beginning. So this month I will be travelling to America to do a tour across the states to promote the issue, and it's going to be an amazing trip, so I'm going to bring you guys along and vlog the whole thing. But until then, enjoy the issue.